Bitcoin holders, how are you? Hope you're doing well, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting this video, make sure to subscribe channel. If you want to join my Telegram group, guys, join now. Telegram group, guys, link is available in video description, guys. So guys, BTC is stuck from long time, guys. There is not a big moment, as you can see here. 23,200 is the lowest. 23,500 and currently is 23,300, guys. So there is not a big movement in a Bitcoin. That's why the all crypto market is looking stuck, guys. But still, if we talk about Bitcoin productions of 40.11%, the volume decreased, guys. So that's mean that currently the volume is looking negative and possibilities for Bitcoin to crash, guys. By the way, what's your opinion about Bitcoin? My recommendation that the market of BTC is looking bearish, but for a little bit. Possibilities that it will crash for a little bit, and after that again it will pump, guys. By the way, the latest update will share on Telegram, so stay connected on Telegram, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.